Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review Tech21's iPhone case, Evo Check and Studio Color. So let's get into it. I've reviewed other phone cases from Tech21 in the past and the brand produces some quality gear. The first case is the Evo Check for iPhone 11. It's a perfect protection for your costly iPhone. It protects from drop after drop for up to 12 feet and also has microbe-fighting protection for hygienically clean case. You can personalize your case with mix and match buttons and its super slim profile looks great. The other case we have from Tech21 is Studio Color. It provides amazing protection without added bulk in rainbow of colors. It's made from plant-based materials and protects your iPhone from drop after drop up to 8 feet. It has a microbe-fighting protection for hygienically clean case. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do that. Thank you.